Hello everyone, this is Mr. Kaviani, and by the end of this video you should be able to identify and describe the difference between scalar and vector quantities. To describe the difference between scalar and vector quantities, I want you to imagine for a moment that you are heading down to the beach with your friends. You hop in your car and you turn down the radio dial to 102.7 hertz, your favorite radio station. It's a beautiful 77 degrees Fahrenheit out. You enter the destination in your GPS, a beach 5 miles northeast from your house. And your GPS tells you it will take 28 minutes to arrive. You take a detour to pick up 4 tacos and a 32-ounce soda before heading out. And then you turn onto the freeway traveling 55 miles per hour northbound. Once you arrive at the beach, you check to see your car odometer reads 10 miles more. You and your friends hop out of the car and enjoy a nice lunch at the beach. What a day. Now, just in this short story, you can already see how frequently we use scalar and vector quantities in our everyday life. Now, what separates these vector quantities on the right from the scalar quantities on the left is whether or not that quantity indicates a direction. And so you see here on the left, we have all of these quantities that just have what we call a magnitude. A magnitude, that just means a number, right? So some quantity plus a unit. The unit counts as part of that magnitude. So I have something like frequency right here. 102 hertz is a radio frequency. 77 degrees Fahrenheit is a temperature. 28 minutes is a time. 4 tacos is a count of something, right? 32 ounces is a volume. 10 miles is a distance. All of these quantities do not have a direction associated with them. They just have what we call a magnitude or an amount. Now, if we look at the right-hand side, these vector quantities have a magnitude, 5 miles, 55 miles per hour, but they have this extra piece of information, this northeast. This is a direction, right? This tells you where the beach was relative to your house. This is a displacement. 55 miles per hour northbound on the freeway. That's, again, a direction. So that tells you a little bit more than just my speed. This is actually a velocity. And so we can come down here and we can define scalar quantities as any quantity with magnitude and no direction. No direction. Whereas a vector quantity is something that has magnitude plus direction. And remember, the magnitude is the number. So this is a magnitude, this is a magnitude, this is a magnitude. These are also magnitudes here as well. A number plus a unit. But when I add in this direction piece, this northeast or north or down or up or left or right, then it becomes a vector. So this concludes our video on scalar and vector quantities. Please go ahead and watch the next video about distance and displacement to help apply this concept of scalar and vector quantities.